Galicia, in the north of Spain, is a key industrial region. The metal sector and its associated technologies are the backbone of its economic development, supplying multiple industries around the world. One of the areas in which the sector specialises is oil, gas and other energies, both onshore and offshore. More than 200 Galician companies work in this value chain. They offer engineering, consulting, manufacturing, logistics, maintenance and equipment supply services for all types of critical infrastructure. From oil platforms and FPSO units to industrial modules or specialised vessels such as seismic, support, drilling and semi-submersibles. Galicia exports local engineering and manufacturing for international projects, standing out for its experience and cutting-edge technology. Its differential values lie in the know-how of its industry, especially in the shipbuilding industry, which has extensive experience that can be transferred to the extractive and energy sectors. But the region also stands out for its infrastructure. With more than 1,500 kilometers of coastline and 5 deep-water port facilities, it competes globally in large-scale projects and operations. Galician industry, technology that feeds the future. In their industrial processes, Galician companies integrate customized modules and manufacturing, boiler making, machining and instrumentation solutions, all with the highest quality and safety standards. Innovation is constant. Automation, advanced monitoring, traceability and continuous improvement to maximize reliability. With a specialized supply chain and multidisciplinary teams, Galicia takes the oil, gas and energy industry to the next level. Asime, a leading cluster for the Galician metal sector, supports the growth of this benchmark industry to continue promoting its competitiveness, training and internationalization. The goal to continue being reliable partners for customers around the world, because this industry is synonymous with quality, technology and commitment to innovation. Galician industry, powering global energy.